Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best dish gloves is probably one of the most underrated tools in your kitchen. We're diving deep into the world of dish gloves, exploring everything from material and durability to comfort and grip. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual home cook, the right dish gloves can transform your dishwashing experience from a chore into a breeze. Join us as we uncover the top contenders and find the perfect pair to protect your hands and elevate your kitchen game. Number 5. Elgood Kitchen Cleaning Gloves, 2 pairs. Introducing the Elgood Cleaning Gloves, made from premium, latex-free PVC material. These gloves are designed to keep your hands safe and comfortable while you work. These gloves use advanced flocking technology, seamlessly weaving cotton and PVC. This provides superior comfort and a soft feel, even with hot water. The gloves feature a non-slip design with granules on the palm and fingers. This increases friction, giving you a better grip and control while you clean. With an ideal 13-inch length, these gloves keep your arms dry. They also prevent water from dripping inside, while still allowing flexible hand movement. These gloves are waterproof and oil-resistant, perfect for various tasks. Use them for kitchen cleaning, laundry, gardening, and even hairdressing. What we like. These gloves are made with latex-free PVC material, perfect for those with sensitivities. The cotton lining ensures comfort during extended use. The non-slip design provides a secure grip. If you have sensitive skin and need reliable protection, you should consider these gloves. What people say. The gloves are very durable and have lasted me a long time. The length of the gloves is perfect and protects my forearms from getting wet. The textured grip on the gloves makes it easy to hold onto dishes and prevents them from slipping. Number 4. Mamison Pink Rubber Gloves, 2 pairs. These Mamison gloves are made of soft, stain-free, and odor-free rubber. You'll even notice a fresh, light rubber scent. They are gentle on your skin, reducing the chance of allergic reactions. If you have allergies, these gloves are perfect for hand-washing dishes. They create a barrier, so you can clean without worry. The gloves feature granules on the palm and fingers for a better grip. The 13.7-inch length and tight cuffs prevent water from getting inside. Each order includes 2 pairs of gloves. You can use them for different tasks, making your chores easier. These gloves are ideal for various cleaning tasks. Use them in the kitchen, for dishwashing, car washing, or even pet care. They are your all-in-one cleaning solution. What we like. These gloves are crafted from soft rubber, offering a gentle touch and stain-free experience. They are designed to protect your hands, especially if you have allergies. The non-slip design enhances grip. If you are allergic to hand-wash the dishes, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. The gloves are very durable and have lasted me a long time. The length of the gloves is perfect, protecting my forearms from getting wet. The textured grip on the palms and fingers makes it easy to hold onto dishes and utensils, even when wet. Number 3. LANON WAHOO Skin-Friendly Cleaning Gloves. These WAHOO dishwashing gloves are made of premium PVC material, and are latex-free and BHP-free. This makes them a great solution for people with sensitive skin. You can use them with confidence. The gloves adopt advanced flocking technology that weaves cotton and PVC seamlessly. This gives you a comfortable and soft touch while you work. You'll barely notice them on your hands. These rubber gloves fit hands well, and the pull-on closure sleeves are easy to take on and off. The anti-slip snail pattern in the palm provides an excellent grip. They allow you to move your hands flexibly. With a 26.6 mm thickness, these dish gloves are made for maximum durability. They're great for kitchen work, dishwashing, household chores, and more. They come in multiple sizes to fit most hands. These gloves come in fashionable designs and vivid colors. They are also certificated by Intertech and meet CA Prop. 65 regulations. Enjoy using them. What we like. These gloves are made with skin-friendly PVC material, ideal for sensitive skin. They feature a comfortable cotton flocked lining. The excellent grip ensures control. If you like fashionable design and need a comfortable and safe option, you should choose these gloves. What people say. The gloves are great for washing dishes. They fit well and are easy to use. The length is perfect and protects my forearms from getting wet. Number 2. COOLJOB 3 Pairs Rubber Cleaning Gloves. These gloves are made from thick and natural latex. They are wear-resistant, stain-free, and odor-free. The soft latex ensures flexibility and long-lasting durability. The gloves feature granules on the palms and fingers. This provides a reliable anti-slip grip in any condition. You'll have full control while you work. Designed with a soft, absorbent flocked lining, these gloves are comfortable even for extended wear. The lining absorbs moisture, keeping your hands dry. The long, waterproof cuffs protect your forearms. They keep your hands and arms clean and dry during various tasks. These reusable gloves are perfect for many household chores. They protect your hands from harsh chemicals and keep your nails safe. What we like? These gloves are made from premium quality rubber, offering exceptional wear resistance. They feature a non-slip grip for maximum control. The comfortable flocked lining ensures a snug fit. If you are looking for long-lasting durability and a comfortable fit, you should consider these. What people say. They do their job for protecting my hands from harsh chemicals. Thin enough to be able to work in them but thick enough for the proper protection. They fit my hands extremely well and they go about halfway up my forearms without slipping down even after 30+ minutes of doing the dishes and no water seeping through. Number 1. Rubber Gloves 2 Pairs Long Household Cleaning Gloves. Are you tired of your hands getting dried out and irritated while doing dishes? These gloves are designed to protect you. They are perfect for anyone who wants to keep their hands safe. These rubber gloves are the perfect solution for all your cleaning needs. They are durable and long-lasting, providing excellent protection against hot water and cleaning agents. This set includes 2 pairs, so you'll always have a spare. They are long enough to protect your forearms, ensuring complete coverage while you work. The gloves are made from high-quality rubber, offering a comfortable fit and excellent grip. You'll be able to handle dishes and other items with ease. Whether you're washing dishes, cleaning the bathroom, or tackling any other household chore, these gloves are a must-have. They make cleaning easier and more enjoyable. What we like? These gloves are made with durable material. They feature long cuffs for extra protection. They are suitable for various tasks. If you are looking for versatile gloves for all your cleaning needs, you should consider these. What people say. These are fantastic, thick and sturdy, which makes taking them on and off very easy, and they are sturdy enough that they don't creep down the arm and let water in. These are a perfect length. They go up basically to your elbow, which is great for doing very messy jobs and dishes because you don't get the water constantly dripping down your arms. These gloves are wonderful because not only do they insulate the temperature well, but they are also thin enough that I can maneuver my hands easily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.